Hi everyone, I'm Hossein Muqaddasi and I will be presenting this course on interpretation principles of geological maps. I have worked in the exploration geophysics and geology for over 14 years, participating in more than 200 projects. In this course, I will share my knowledge with you. This course will help you learn about geological maps and how to interpret them. We will discuss who can benefit from this knowledge and what you can expect to learn. This course will outline the objectives and the practical outcomes you will gain. We will begin with an introduction to geological maps, establishing a foundation before examining their key components. We will look at each component to understand its meaning, and uh, one of my main focus will be on important geological features which are essential in geology and will assist you in reading these maps effectively. We will study these features to ensure you understand their role in map interpretation. Next, we will consider geological cross-sections, which are like-side views of the Earth. We will learn about their importance and how they enhance map understanding. For practical learning, we will use the Gulpaigan map as a base map, and I will explain why this map is useful and how it will be a helpful tool for learning, guiding us towards our course goals. Using this map, I will demonstrate how to identify and interpret geological structure and features. We will then broaden our views on the original geology of area shown on our map. Following that, we will focus on specific and interesting aspects of these maps. We will analyze the stratigraphic columns, understanding Earth history through rock layers, and we will also learn the symbols used in the geological maps, which are key to understanding their information. We will also discuss about lithofacies and what information they provide. Moving forward, we will analyze stratigraphic columns in details and also lithofacies, and starting with rock formation and analyzing them, and we'll give you some example, and for, uh, we will use practical approach which aid us in understanding the features. And also we will talk about uh, metamorphic rocks, and then we will analyze the behavior of rock types in front of erosion and tectonic forces, and its significance in terms of landform and resource exploration. Then we will examine geomorphology and how geology influences regional landscape. Afterward, we will explore karst systems and their importance. And using our acquired knowledge, we will address the interpretation of geological structure and faults. We will then compare rock types and stratigraphic columns, showing how they contribute to map interpretations. We will then move to practical applications, considering scenarios such as tunnel excavation and the types of rock encountered, and we will explore karst hydrology and alluvial aquifer with some examples. And we will also look at earthquake engineering and how geological maps help best site selection for construction. and we will then focus on interpreting faults which are important for understanding geological hazard and resources. And regarding resources, we will investigate the influence of faults on mineralization using case study. We will also examine a real example of site selections for a large dam, demonstrating the role of geological maps in engineering projects. Finally, to test your skills, I will talk about three puzzles. These will combine geology, geophysics, and geochemistry to encourage further learning, and we will especially uh, explore granitoids, their significance, identification, and influence on geology and mineral deposits. Ultimately, we will analyze the presence of some types of mineralization in a region, concluding with a practical exercise, and you are encouraged to apply your knowledge and share your interpretations. And I hope you will find this course informative and helpful in understanding geological map interpretation.